So today I'm starting with 1 pound of Orzo pasta that looks like rice. And we are going to be adding a jar of these. I like the julienne sun-dried tomatoes because then you don't have to cut them up. So we're gonna go ahead and add the entire jar. Just like that. Then we're gonna be adding, this is a can of cannellini beans that I've already drained and rinsed and drained. That's gonna go on top as well. Such a good one-pot Italian dinner. We'll be adding some Italian seasoning. Let me know where you're watching this in the comments. Would love to know what part of the country or the world that you're watching from. Following that up with some garlic powder. I really don't have a lot of measurements for these. Some onion powder and some black pepper. We're not adding any salt to this recipe. This is a 32-ounce carton, 4 cups of veggie broth. You can use chicken stock if you want. Goes all the way around. Star of the show, Boursin cheese. Adding an entire block of that. And I've got, these are 5 lemons. I've cut in half. Just shove them in there. These are some bacon bits, either of the real bacon bits, not the, the crumbles. Just put that all across the top. And then this is gonna go into a 350-degree oven for about 40 minutes. Wow, look at how that turned out. Look at all those lemons, completely cooked through. We're gonna go ahead and take these lemons one by one. Look how soft they got. We're just gonna squeeze all that juice out of there, but you don't wanna eat the lemon peel, so we're just gonna take those out. This last one, I'm gonna squeeze it right over that Boursin cheese. All these lemons, like all the juices out of them. I'm gonna take a spoon, get into that cheese, and we're gonna mix all this together. Ooh. A 2-cup bag of this Italian style blended cheese. Mix this through. This is not fresh parsley and this isn't dried parsley. It's got kind of in between. Sprinkle that all over the top. Do some in here. That. Get those beans and the sun-dried tomatoes and that cheese is gonna be so good. It's really, really good. Super lemony. It's almost like a Greek pasta. You should make this. It's really, really good.